Assalamualaikum level 1. This is me Madiha Imam, your maths teacher. In this video, we will revise new topics. The first one is subtraction and the second one is shapes and pattern. Let's start with the subtraction. Subtraction means taking away. The answer tells us how much is left. Let's have a look example. Rover has 5 bones. If we take away 2, he has 3 left. Let us solve some more examples of subtraction. As you see, there are 5 circles. We need to cross out 3 circles. So now tell me how many circles are remain? Yes, 2 circles are remain. 5 minus 3 equals to 2. Another example, 7 minus 6. So we need to cross out the 6th circle. So it means there is 1 circle left. 4 minus 2 equals to 2. In this sum, you need to cross out 2 circles. Now let's talk about the second topic. The second topic is recognizing shapes. We are going to discuss these 6 2D shapes. Let's start with the circle. There is no sides, no corners. It is round. Now the second shape is square. It has 4 sides and 4 corners. Square has equal corners and sides. Let's talk about the third shape, rectangle. It has 4 sides and 4 corners, but the sides and corners are not equal. Now the next shape is triangle, and triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Now let's talk about the shape oval. It is a flat shape. There is no sides and no corners. The last 2D shape is a diamond. It has 4 sides and 4 corners. So dear students, I hope this video helps you in revision of the topic recognizing shapes. Let's talk about the homework of 3rd and 4th week, which we have already discussed in online class. So week 3 homework is, there are 2 tasks of week 3. You have to do 2-digit subtraction in your copy, and the second one is do this worksheet and paste in your copy. Now let's talk about the week 4 homework. So as you see, there is a worksheet. You can do the same worksheet as your copy work. Thank you. Allah Hafiz level 1.